Here is how to make good prompts when using pixels. There's two methods you can use for prompting. The first method is to use very vague and short prompts and let pixels do the rest of the work for you. For this example, all I put is the downfall of Ronaldinho. I don't need to add anything else. Now let's press generate and see what it makes. Our thumbnails are now done. We have 4 options that we can use. I think this one in the top right looks the best. And as you can see, it doesn't need any extra context. It knows that he went to jail. You can also see a trophy back here. This one looks great. The second method is to make much more specific prompts. As you can see here, I added a lot of details as to what caption I want, what lighting I want, and a bunch of other small details as well. This is going to be good if you want much more precise results. The more specific you are, the closer you can get to getting exactly what it is you want. Now let's press generate and see what this makes. As you can see, we now have 4 really good results. I like this one in the bottom right a lot. And they all match my prompt as well. They all have the same caption, the single hanging light bulb, the correct jersey, and all of the other details that I requested. That is how to make good prompts. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to create a support ticket and we'll help you out.